Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to perform a Fortify scan. To do so, head on over to Deployments, click Browse Tests, and add your sample Fortify test. Unlike a Nessus scan, you do not run a Fortify test against a system. In order to perform your Fortify test, your test asset will need a license. Fortify operates under a bring your own license model. To add a license, you will need to download the asset, add your license, and then re-import it into Concert. If you'd like to review how to import a test asset, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Finish and launch your deployment. You do not need to input login credentials or anything like that, as you are only deploying this test asset. If you'd like to review how to schedule a deployment, feel free again to follow the links in the upper right and in the video description. Click Launch, give it some time, and once the Fortify scan is complete, head on over to Test Results. Click Show Details, and you'll be able to view and download the results of the test. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.